Welcome to the Ergo Advantage installation video. We are about to show you just how easy our mats are to install. For tools and supplies, all you need is a rubber mallet. If you need to make any cuts, check our cutting video by clicking the box in the top right corner or the link in the description below. Please keep in mind that these are general installation guides. Our mats are very user-friendly. If you have any questions about an odd-shaped area, feel free to reach out to your Ergo Advantage rep at any time. The first step in your installation is planning. Ensuring that you have the right number of tiles is very important. Set out the locations of any special tiles such as colored, ESD, antimicrobial, or gritted. Also, lay out any cords that will be running underneath mats beforehand. Keep in mind, time spent planning now will save you time later and make installing that much easier. Now, let's get started. For your starting location, we recommend choosing the largest area with the least amount of obstacles. Begin by placing your first tile in the top left corner of your area. Rotate the tile so that the interlocking tabs are facing 3 and 6 o'clock. Place another tile so that it lines up with the previous one with the interlocking tabs facing the same direction. Then give it a few soft blows with your rubber mallet to secure it in place. Continue this process until you have completed the entire area you wish to cover. Now that you have laid all the mats, let's move on to edging. Edging is strongly recommended in areas where any movement on and off the mats may occur. First, start by fastening the corners. These pieces may seem slightly confusing, but don't worry. They only fit one way. For any male edging, simply lift the mat, then slide the edge piece in enough that the interlocking tabs are covered. Secure with the mallet, then move on to the side edges until you have completely outlined your mats. Now it's your turn to go and install the market's best modular anti-fatigue industrial safety mat system. Check out our other videos and our website for more fantastic matting solutions.